Hi everyone, welcome to another video of the Smart Tutoring. We are discussing important multiple choice questions for CBSE Class 10 Science first term board examination through a series. In this video, we are discussing the questions from light, reflection and refraction. Question number 1. The magnification produced by a plane mirror is option A -1, B +1, C less than 1, D more than 1. The correct option is option B +1. Question number 2. The law of reflection hold true for option A plane mirrors only, convex mirrors only, concave mirrors only, all reflecting surfaces. Correct answer is option D, all reflecting surfaces. Question number 3. The focal length of a concave mirror is negative, positive. Option C, either negative or positive depending on the nature of the image. Option D, neither negative nor positive. The correct answer is option A, negative. Question number 4. The image formed by a plane mirror is real and inverted. Option B, virtual and inverted. C, real and erect. Option D, virtual and erect. The correct answer is option D, virtual and erect. Question number 5. An object is placed at a distance of 0.25 meter in front of a plane mirror. The distance between the object and the image will be A 0.25 meter, B 0.5 meter, C 1 meter, D 1.25 meter. The answer is option B 0.5 meter. Question number 6. The angle of incidence for a ray of light having zero reflection angle is option A 0 degree, B 25 degree, C 10 degree, D 45 degree. Answer is option A 0 degree. Question number 7. If the object is placed at the center of curvature of a concave mirror, then the image is formed at option A focus, B center of curvature, C infinity, D behind the mirror. The answer is option B, center of curvature. Question number 8. The speed of light in air is option A 3 into 10 raised to 2, B 3 into 10 raised to 3, C 3 into 10 raised to 6, D 3 into 10 raised to 8. The correct answer is option D 3 into 10 raised to 8. Question number 9. The angle of reflection is equal to the angle of incidence. Option A sometimes, B under special conditions, C always, D never. Answer is option C always. Question number 10. Minimum reflected rays required for the formation of images. Option A 3, B 10, C 5, D 2. The correct answer is option D 2. Question number 11. If the image is formed in front of the mirror, then the image distance will be option A positive, B negative, C neither positive nor negative, D positive or negative depending on the size of the image. The answer is option B negative. Question number 12. Which mirror can produce virtual, erect and magnified image of an object placed in front of it? Option A plane mirror, B convex mirror, C concave mirror, D both convex and concave mirrors. Answer is option D, both convex and concave mirrors. Question number 13. In order to obtain a magnification of -0.6 with a concave mirror, the object should be placed option A at the focus, B between pole and focus, C between focus and center of curvature, D beyond the center of curvature. Answer is option D, beyond center of curvature. Question number 14. A concave mirror produces a magnification of +3. The object is placed option A at center of curvature, B at focus, C between pole and focus, D beyond center of curvature. Correct answer is option C, between pole and focus. Question number 15. The radius of curvature of a concave mirror is -30 cm. Its focal length will be option A +30 cm, B -30 cm, C +15 cm, D -15 cm. The focal length of a spherical mirror will be the half of its radius of curvature. Therefore, here the correct option is option D, minus 15 centimeter. Question number 16. Which of the following are the correct properties of virtual images? First one, cannot be projected on the screen. Second one, are formed by both the concave and convex mirrors. Third one, are always erect. Fourth one, are always inverted. Option A 1 and 2, B 1 and 4, C 1, 2 and 4, D 1, 2 and 3. The correct option is 1, 2 and 3. Question number 17. A student obtained a sharp image of a candle flame placed at the distant end of the laboratory table on a screen using a concave mirror to determine its focal length. The teacher suggested him to focus a distant building about 1 kilometer far from the laboratory for getting more correct value of the focal length. In order to focus the distant building on the same screen, the student should slightly move the option A, mirror away from the screen. Option B, screen away from the mirror. C, screen towards the mirror. Option D, screen towards the building. Here the correct option is option C, screen towards the mirror. Question number 18. Which of the following can make a parallel beam of light when light from a point source is incident on it? Option A, concave mirror as well as convex lens. Option B, convex mirror as well as concave lens. Option C, two plane mirrors placed at 90 degrees to each other. Option D, concave mirror as well as concave lens. Here the correct option is option A, concave mirror as well as convex lens. Question number 19. Magnification produced by the rear view mirror in vehicles is option A less than 1, B greater than 1, C equal to 1, D none of these. Correct answer is option A less than 1. Question number 20. A student determines the focal length of a device X by focusing the image of a distant object on a screen placed 20 cm from the device on the same side of the object. The device X is option A, concave lens of focal length 20 cm. Option B, convex lens of focal length 20 cm. Option C, concave mirror of focal length 10 cm. Option D, concave mirror of focal length 20 cm. Here the answer is option D, concave mirror of focal length 20 cm. Now it is the end of the video. Please like, comment, share the video, subscribe the channel, enable the bell icon. Thank you for watching.